So can Dogelon Mars price prediction? Three zeros, 4,000. That's my price prediction. But when? Let me go ahead and show you guys the whole CoinGecko terminal right quick. As you guys see, there have been people buying Dogelon Mars still. They're still doing it, even though we're down some. We're sitting at 1889 on Gecko Terminal. But what I've been seeing is people have been dumping, you know, but a lot of people have been putting in big bags. As you see here, someone spent $25,000 on Dogelon. As you guys know, we are going to experience a burn. I don't know when, but we will be experiencing a burn, which is good news. And I know that you guys are happy to hear those news. Now, with my price prediction, I really do believe that we will conquer three zeros high 4,000s. As you guys see on Trading View, we're sitting at 1878. And this is just the technical analysis, what you guys see right now, which is a day. But I like to go 5 minutes. I like to show you guys what's really going on. I don't like to just show you what happened in a day. I like to show you what's going on. 5 minutes, we click on a minute. A minute, as you guys see, we're in a strong buy and moving averages. And the summary of all, we are in a buy position. They are buying Dogelon Mars as we speak. As you see on CoinMarketCap, we're sitting at 1888, up 3%. But when we go to the trading view, the whole chart, as you guys see, we have those shoulders like I've been telling you guys. We did cross around the 2100 mark, still at 6 zeros. But we click on the 30-minute chart, as you guys see here, we're at 1882. And I really do believe by the end of this week, we should be pushing towards the 2600s. Now, when I tell you guys that we can hit 3 zeros, what I mean is 0.0003 4,000. I like to say 3, but 4,000, that where we can be at that time. We may go higher, but I'm not just shooting the gun. This is just my price prediction because we are going to go through burning stages. Again, I don't know when, but you will see it out in articles, or if Dogelon Mars or Dogelon Warriors send me a message and let me know that the burn has started, I will let you guys know. All right. As you guys see here, Bitcoin still sitting at 61,000. The fear and greed index is at 85. Ethereum sitting at 3,300. We are still bullish. We're not down below. This is the reason why you guys want to accumulate. Even though where we at, most people, like I always tell you guys, don't chase green candles. But at the end of the day, we're at 6 zeros. What could you really lose? The only place that we can be going is up. You understand? And I really do believe that when we have this Ethereum ETF, spot ETF, the prices will change. So we got major factors that's going on right now. We got the Ethereum spot ETF that's coming along. We have the Bitcoin halving that's coming along. And also we have the burning effect for Dogelon Mars that is also coming as well. So I want you guys to put that in factor of why I say my price prediction is at 3 zeros high 4,000. Okay. Now, when I go back to my profile, I wanted to show you guys this here. Shout out to Mario Mars, Bitcoin SBTC. They say meme coin surge, adding $3.77 billion in market cap in 4 days. So when people are saying that there's no way that we can sit up high in the high 4,000s at 3 zeros, they are out of their mind. Things are going to change. But I am also so bullish on Dogelon. Now I see PayPay, we got Shiba Inu, we got Dogecoin. those are the factors. But I am bullish on Dogelon Mars. Shout out to Digital Perspective. He says the domino effect begins. Watcher Guru says just then Wells Fargo and Bank of America's Merrill's Lynch begins offering Bitcoin ETF to clients because why? The customers want their Bitcoin. They do not want to be left behind. So it's all about what the consumer wants. When the consumer is heavily pressing onto the institution or whatever firm that they're dealing with, they're telling them, hey, we pay you. I'm telling you to buy me some Bitcoin. And if they don't do it, they're going to find somebody else. That's how most of these people are. They're going to find somebody else to go ahead and set them up an account and let them purchase all different digital assets because they have the funds and they do not want to miss this great transformation of wealth. Now, you guys already know the dollar is going crazy, the lending money like crazy. As you guys see here, Fed to allow emergency bank lending program to expire on March 11th. That is a big date that you guys want to pay attention to. With funding closing for institutions, the governments, this can play a major factor to the pump what we dealing with digital assets. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday said a funding lifeline created for banks last year after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank threatened to spark a wider financial crisis would close as scheduled in March. So you guys have to pay attention. A lot of things is going to be really heavy. A lot of people is going to feel the pressure and the high rates, interest rates are still going to be spiking up. We're not moving away from that. So while we are investing into our digital asset, which we've been doing DCA and dollar cost averaging of what you guys purchase, we are still sitting a lot more higher than say 90% of the citizens around the world. A lot of people are still not hooked on digital currency and they still do not know what digital currency is. So this is why I'm telling you guys, I'm definitely bullish on Dogelon Mars, and I'm not shaking off of it. As you guys see, you guys been seeing these candles, and this is what I like about it. You know what I'm saying? When you're able to see these shoulders right here, and you guys see that we haven't broke this barrier since December of last year. We dropped all the way back down. So this is why I say we will break the 2,600 barrier, hopefully by the end of this week. We just got to remain bullish. Understand this. It's like, we are in a time that most people in our era or in the older era was not able to witness this and understand what's going on. So I'm letting you guys know this is a great moment of time. This is history in the making. 2024, I will have at least $1 million in my portfolio. At least $1 million in my portfolio. And if you guys believe that you will have $1 million in your portfolio, drop it down in the comment section below. Let us know that you're going to be a multimillionaire in your family, or will you have at least $1 million in your account if we hit that price prediction as what I have stated. 3 zeros, high 4,000s. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the subscribers. I also appreciate the new members that have been joining into this channel. Without you guys, Crypto Brown 321 wouldn't be here. But again, this is your journey. This is your lifestyle. You create your lifestyle. No one else can create your lifestyle that you want or how you want to live it. It's your world in your eyes. Peace out, family.